In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make emails mobile-friendly in Mailchimp. Making sure your emails look great on a phone is essential because most people are opening their emails on mobile first. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go inside Mailchimp and what to look for so you can quickly check your design and make simple adjustments without breaking anything. First, open the campaign you're working on inside Mailchimp. This could be a regular email campaign, an automated email, or a draft you've already started. Once you're in the campaign overview, look for the section where you edit the content of the email. Here, click on the option labeled Edit Design. This will open the Mailchimp email builder where you can see all your text blocks, images, buttons, and layout. By default, Mailchimp usually shows you the desktop version of your design. To preview how this will look on a phone, find the icons in the Builder toolbar that represent different devices. You should see a desktop icon and, right next to it, a mobile phone icon. Go ahead and click the mobile phone icon. The main preview area will switch to a narrower view, simulating what your email looks like on a typical smartphone screen. Take a moment to slowly scroll through this mobile preview. Check your headings, body text, images, buttons, and spacing. You might notice that some text lines wrap awkwardly, images feel too large or too small, or buttons are not as easy to tap as you'd like on a phone screen. This is completely normal. The goal here is to spot these issues before you send your campaign. If you see anything that looks off in the mobile preview, you'll make your changes using the panel on the left side of the builder. When you click on a block in the preview, the left panel will show its settings. Here, you can adjust font sizes, line height, alignment, padding, and even how blocks stack on mobile, depending on the content type. For example, you might slightly reduce a headline size so it doesn't take up the entire screen, or increase button padding so it's easier to tap. After you make an adjustment, glance back at the mobile preview to confirm it looks better. You can switch between the desktop and mobile icons as often as you like to make sure your design works well on both. When you're happy with how it looks on mobile, you're ready to move on and eventually send a campaign that feels polished on any device.